In the ever-evolving world of gaming motherboards, the MSI MPG Z890 Carbon Wi-Fi stands out. But is it truly the best choice for your next build? Stick around to uncover some surprising drawbacks that might make you think twice. The MSI MPG Carbon Wi-Fi boasts a sleek, all-black design with carbon fiber accents, exuding a modern and aggressive aesthetic that appeals to gamers and enthusiasts alike. Its ATX form factor ensures compatibility with a wide range of cases, while the strategically placed heatsinks and shrouds enhance both cooling efficiency and visual appeal. One of the standout features is its robust 20+1+1+1 power phase design, utilizing 110A smart power stages for the V-Core, which provides ample headroom for overclocking Intel's latest Core Ultra processors. This ensures stable performance even under heavy workloads. Connectivity is another strong suit, with dual PCIe 5.0x16 slots supporting the latest graphics cards, and 5 M.2 slots offering extensive storage options. The inclusion of Wi-Fi 7 and dual LAN ports caters to users seeking high-speed and reliable network connections. However, it's worth noting that the motherboard's premium features come at a higher price point, which might not align with all budgets. Additionally, while the design is visually appealing, the extensive branding and RGB lighting may not suit those preferring a minimalist aesthetic. Priced at $500, the MSI MPG Carbon Wi-Fi positions itself in the higher tier of gaming motherboards. Considering its advanced features and future-proof capabilities, it offers substantial value for those looking to invest in a high-performance system. For the latest offers, check out the Amazon link in the description. So, what are the pros and cons of choosing this motherboard? Cons: higher price point. Extensive branding may not suit minimalist tastes. Potential overkill for non-enthusiast users. Pros: robust power delivery for overclocking. Extensive connectivity options. Future-proof with PCIe 5.0 and DDR5 support. Advanced networking capabilities. Sleek, modern design. In my experience, the MSI MPG Carbon Wi-Fi offers a compelling package for gamers and enthusiasts seeking top-tier performance and connectivity. Its robust power delivery and future-proof features make it a worthy investment for high-performance builds. Don't forget to check out the Amazon link in the description for the latest deals, and if you found this review helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your thoughts.